Is VLC Media Player crashing every time you open a video, change a setting, or start playback? Yeah, that can be frustrating, but the cause is often a setting, plugin cache, graphics issue, or damaged configuration. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most useful fixes, starting with the easiest ones. First, completely close VLC and restart your computer. If VLC is stuck in the background, open Task Manager on Windows and make sure there isn't another VLC process still running. End the process if necessary, then launch VLC again. One of the most common fixes is resetting VLC's preferences. If VLC still opens, go to Tools, then Preferences, and select Reset Preferences. This can clear incorrect settings and a broken plugin cache. Save the reset, then restart VLC. If VLC crashes before you can reach Preferences, Windows users can reset its configuration outside the application. Open the Run dialog, enter the VLC configuration location, and remove the VLC settings folder. VLC's documentation also lists a Start menu option called Reset VLC Media Preferences on supported Windows installations. If VLC mainly crashes when playing certain videos, graphics acceleration could be involved. Open Tools, Preferences, then Input and Codecs, and look for the Hardware Accelerated Decoding option. Try switching it off, save the setting, and restart VLC. If the problem continues, you can test the opposite setting as well. Video output settings can also cause crashes or corrupted playback, especially when graphics drivers or virtual machines are involved. In Preferences, open the Video section and test a different video output module if your current one is causing problems. Save the change and restart VLC. Next, make sure VLC itself is up to date. Download VLC only from the official Videoland website. Also check for updates to your graphics driver, especially if crashes started after a Windows or driver update. A clean, compatible setup can eliminate a lot of playback problems. Finally, test VLC with a different video file. If only one specific file causes the crash, the problem may be with that media file or its codec rather than VLC itself. You can also open Tools and Codec information to inspect the file. And that's how to troubleshoot VLC crashes. Start with a restart and preference reset, then check hardware decoding, video output, updates, and the media file itself. So don't change everything at once. Test one fix at a time, and you'll have a much better idea of what's actually causing the crash.